When we talk about the most dangerous animals in a forest, the names of predators like lion and cheetah comes to everyone's tongue. But today we are going to tell you about a hunter who is no less dangerous than this one. Actually, we are talking about the predatory hyena. You can guess how dangerous it is from the fact that whenever it comes across other animal, it prays that the hyena does not attack it. Because every animal knows that a hyena it eats prey by tearing it apart while it is still alive. However, despite being so dangerous, sometimes such movement comes in its life in which it has to face defeat. In today's video, we are going to show you some such clip of hyena where it encounter other dangerous animals of the forest. Hyena versus lion. Although the hyena is one of the most dangerous animals in the jungle, it is sometimes adept at escaping even the lion. But when the king of the jungle, i.e. the lion, show his power, then it also has to face the consequence. Like in this video clip, we can see that a large group of hyenas has surrounded a lion. All of them together are trying to attack the lion from all sides. But the lion is not scared of them at all and is busy giving them a befitting reply. Eventually, when the situation becomes out of control, the lion show his aggressive side and attack a hyena. A single attack of the lion is so powerful that the poor hyena gets injured and all the other hyenas stand far away and watch. But nobody has the courage to go near him. In a short while, even the lions kill him like hyenas and then leave from there. Wild dogs versus hyena. After the hyena, if there is any animals in the jungle that is feared, then it is the wild dogs. Because by nature it is very much like a hyena and does not delay in attacking its prey. Apart from this, another quality which makes it dangerous is that it eats prey by tearing alive. But what happens when these two devils come face to face? Here we see a fight going on between some hyenas and wild dogs. Well, the hyena is trying to scare the dogs with its dangerous attitude. The dogs are also not ready to back off. As soon as the hyena start moving toward them, they also start showing their strength by attacking them. Soon their fight escalates to clawing and one dog even attacked the hyena with its claws. Now this fight continues for some time, but then the hyena realized that it will not work for them and they run away from there. However, the attack of these dogs are not limited to this only, and many times on seeing a hyena alone, they harassing it because maybe they realize that it will be easier for them to kill a hyena alone. Hyena versus cheetah. Whenever there is talk of a first animal in the jungle, the name of the cheetah comes on everyone's mouth because everyone is well aware of the fact that cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. However, the cheetah gets the advantage of its speed while hunting because innocent animal cannot run faster than it. But here he is faced with a hyena who has a long history of messing with dangerous animal. And just like two hyenas have reached in front of the pair, here looking at their guts, it is not difficult to say that they want to make the pair their prey. But they are afraid of going difficult in front of the cheetah. But now the time has come when the hyena moves toward the cheetah, but in meantime the cheetah gets angry and attack the hyena. Seeing such a dreadful form of the hyena, it immediately ran away from there and starts saving its life.